Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make anime explained shorts. First, begin by selecting a compelling anime topic or character that genuinely interests you. Thorough research is crucial to ensure accuracy and depth in your explanation. Next, create a detailed outline for your script, focusing on a clear, concise narrative flow. Remember to keep your entire explanation under 2 minutes for optimal short-form engagement, aiming for around 1 minute and 30 seconds. Crafting an engaging script is paramount. Use conversational language to simplify complex ideas. Break down intricate concepts into easily digestible segments for your audience. When recording your voiceover, ensure a quiet environment for crisp audio quality. Speak with enthusiasm and clarity. Aim for a voiceover duration of approximately 1 minute to 1 minute 30 seconds to fit the short-form format effectively. For visuals, select relevant anime clips, still images, and motion graphics that directly support your narrative. Utilize text overlays and annotations to highlight key information and character names. Edit your clips smoothly, ensuring perfect synchronization with your voiceover. Finally, incorporate appropriate background music and sound effects to enhance the overall viewing experience and maintain audience interest throughout the short. Before publishing, meticulously review your short for clarity, accuracy, and pacing. Double-check that all audio levels are consistent and that background music is perfectly balanced with your voiceover. Export your final video in a high-quality format, such as 1080 pixels or 4K, for the best viewer experience. Then, share your polished anime explained short on relevant platforms to effectively reach your target audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.